Welcome to the Billnet Devlog. So today I'm just going to go over a couple quick updates. It's not going to be too long of a video, just two updates. So let's get started here. First thing I want to talk about is the release date and app review process. So, you know, the app is still under review with Apple, right? It's really pushing back the release date because the app review process is taking longer than expected. Part of the reason for this is because anytime Apple sees an issue with the app, this could be maybe, there could be a bug within the app, or it could be that the product page on the App Store for the app is unacceptable, or there needs to be more information provided on that page. The review is rejected, right? So the app is rejected. And so when it gets rejected, I have to fix whatever they rejected it for. And then I got to resubmit it. Well, they're not going to test it for another day. So I'm working at a pace of one issue per day. Anytime, an issue is brought up. And sometimes the issue is very, very like it's a small detail, but regardless, I gotta wait another day for them to review the app. So it's a time-consuming process. Nevertheless, though, it's I'm working back and forth with them, and it's every time it's being rejected. When I submit it again, it's more polished, which makes me more happy. It's just it's taking longer than expected. So previously I said that the release date was hopefully going to be, beginning of May, this week or next week. It's not looking like that. I'll say that the app review process is definitely impacting the release date for sure. So, in terms of like when the release date is going to be, once it's reviewed by Apple, I'll be able to have a release date until once it's successfully reviewed, right? So the app is ready to go on the App Store, right? I'll have the release date, and I'll be sure to update everyone about that once that occurs. But as of now, I have to continue going back and forth with the Apple review team for the App Store until I have an app that's ready to go for the App Store. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, well, since I'm waiting a bunch on these reviews, I have more time to spend on updating the Billnet website, and in particular the feature roadmap, which I've talked about for the past couple of videos. And it's a cool thing. I want to present to everyone on the website. So here's how I'm gonna go about doing it here. So I'm gonna first create the feature page, and this feature page is gonna have all the features of the app itself. So the features that are currently in the stable version, and there are two. Once I have that, at the bottom of that page, I'll have a feature roadmap link where you go to the feature roadmap page, and that page will be populated with the features of the future. And right now, there are two features that I want to implement later down the line, probably a month or two after the app is released. So now that I have this time, because I've been talking about it for quite some time now, it's I'll be able to work on this and put it up on the website. So definitely look out for that, and I'll be sure to tweet that out. Once I have that, once that page is live on the website. So be sure to follow the Twitter. But yeah, other than that, those are the updates for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Tune in next week. Hopefully, the app will be reviewed by then. If not, at least hopefully the feature roadmap will be on the website. So thank you, and have a good week.